Hello everyone, welcome back. New brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to face disagree with the decision if you want to log in on Facebook but face this type of error. So how to fix? First of all, get a one screenshot, and after that go back to your home screen and open any one browser like Google and Chrome, and after that search for this Facebook login issue. Tap on this, scroll down, then click on report a login issue. From here connect a email address, scroll down. From here you as can see description of the issue, explain your problem. Hello Facebook team, I cannot access my account. I cannot access my account. Please fix this problem. And after that tap on thanks. You as can see option is choose file. Click on this, select your screenshot, and after that tap on next and tap on submit. After submit, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am help you more. Thanks for watching.